Okay, I just got this information on my social accounts like Google Plus, Twitter, Facebook, and the groups on the Google Plus. Anyway, this is the world's first openSUSE Linux tablet. It's on the webpage indiegogo.com. Today's date is Monday 21st 2016. It just started today. The company that is going to produce the tablets, the name is MJ Technology LLC. All the links about this video is going to be on the YouTube video description. It's going to be all the information about the specs of the device. It has multiple configurations. Comes with an Intel processor, and it has different configurations, different specs, and I will cover everything on here. And also I'm going to give you some information about the openSUSE OS, and the links about the social links about them, and about the MJ technology. Anyway, and I will show all the information from the indiegogo.com. This is the first. It's just started today, so I'm here to help spread the information around. I'm very good at it, so you may. My goal here is to help to push good stuff around, to share the information around, so to make it stuff easily available to anyone that is interested to buy it. So so let's head over to. First of all, I'm gonna to understand everything. You have to go to openSUSE here, and the openSUSE is HTTPS here. Make sure you go to the HTTPS one here. Anyway, they have two they have the LEAP, which is you download and you install, and I believe let me get that information here for much easier. Wikipedia has all the information here, but I got this. So the let me go back here. The tumbleweed, you get the latest software, everything. And this one here, the LEAP, works like the Ubuntu LTS. But anyway, I'm gonna put just have to do is type here openSUSE. Then get. Anyway, I'm gonna have this link here. I'm gonna have. fix that up here. I don't want to make the video long, so I will have the links right at the video description, and from there you can just click on the link and go direct to the openSUSE web page, Wikipedia web page. Then I will have the link here of the MJ technology website here. They have got this information. Let me move around here. Let me get all the information in here first. Anyway, openSUSE, they have this. Make it easier. openSUSE. I'm using a slow internet connection here, that's fucking killing me here. Anyway, this is the, I'm gonna give the links so people can get around how to communicate with people, with companies. So you have these here, they have this way to communicate with these companies through the, you go to their homepage, or you go to the Twitter, Google Plus, search on the YouTube. You know, any company should have a web page on YouTube, on Facebook, or Google Plus, Twitter, and the other social networks. Okay, but anyway, let me go back here. So, right at the page, at the openSUSE already has the confounding. But anyway, so if you want to learn more about openSUSE, I will let you, I have the links there. You're gonna see, you're gonna get all the information from openSUSE. But I'll let that link there so you can learn about it. I just want to take one quick screenshot here about Wikipedia. Okay, and 65, let's do something. 66 here. Okay, 66, 67. Anyway, you can see here. I'm going to take another screenshot here. 68. Okay, so we got the information here, and then so if you want to learn more about openSUSE, there is a link there. But anyway, they have the select this one here. This one here is like the LTS. If you compare openSUSE with Ubuntu, the leap is the LTS compared to Ubuntu, and tumbleweed is like comparing with Arch Linux. Arch Linux is a rolling release distro that has all the latest software in it. So if you have a computer and the computer lasts for 10 years, it automatically you're gonna have the latest software on that computer. That's the tumbleweed. This one here, Leap, after I believe 5 years, you have to restart to the latest Leap OS. This one is let me get some more information. It's a 42.2. As you can see here, the latest one is 42.2. Was just launched a few days ago. But anyway, let's go to where I want to show this thing here. So this is the if you want to watch this directly on YouTube, you can do it. But this is the address here. I have the address right on the top here. HTTPS, first row, tablet, and here. Anyway, we're just going to watch the video here. I'm going to pause this.
Let me ask you a question. Are you a techno geek? Do you breathe specs? Does the thought of using something that is cutting edge make you drool? Do you love testing the latest Linux builds? If that's you, I've got some great news. MJ Technologies, a leader in affordable cutting-edge tech, is pleased to introduce the MJ Technology Warrior Series tablet, powered by openSUSE. Yeah, you heard right. A cutting-edge tablet with a pure Linux core. Created by a team of 8 developers with more than 50 years of experience in the mobile technology field, this is one sweet machine. Now, this type of tech is only as good as its specs, and the Warrior Series tablet delivers in this regard. We've added the newest 7th generation Intel Atom processor, providing the best balance of power and battery life. And with either 2 or 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, true multitasking is at your disposal. The Warrior Series tablet was designed as a rich media creation tool, whether it's graphics, audio, or video. So we've added either 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage, giving you the option to use the cloud for storing files or not. As great as any tablet is, it's no good if the battery dies in the middle of a job. Yeah, we didn't like that either. So we've added one of the largest capacity batteries in the industry, providing up to 9 hours of use. Now, if you're a die-hard Windows 10 user, but are still salivating at this tablet, we haven't left you in dust. This tablet can also be used as a dual boot Windows 10 tablet. It's a true 32 and 64-bit tablet or PC with access to hundreds of thousands of applications and games, and puts power in your hands by giving you choices and not telling you what you can or can't run or use. For those of you who are not familiar with openSUSE, let me tell you why this is awesome. openSUSE is a highly successful and widely used distribution of Linux in both the consumer and enterprise fields. The advantages of this software are: 1, it's free. Linux is free to obtain and use, unlike Microsoft and other products which are available for a hefty and sometimes recurring fee. And 2, security. The security features of Linux are much stronger and robust than that of Windows, giving you peace of mind and increased protection in this world of digital threats. This is truly the best partnership on the planet, but don't take my word for it.
Hi, I'm Richard Brown, the chairman of the openSUSE project, and I'm here at SUSECon 2016 talking about how openSUSE is going to be working with MJ Technologies on their new tablet. So we'll be having the first community and enterprise hybrid distribution, where you've got a nice solid enterprise core alongside thousands of community packages on top, giving you the best of both worlds, from the enterprise side of absolute stability along with the community innovation and changes as the world's going on. And this is just fantastic, and I hope to be able to show everybody this at openSUSE Conference 2017.
Power, reliability, innovation, and quality. That's the MJ Technology Warrior Series tablet. What are you waiting for? Get yours today.
Okay, you can watch this video in full screen here. You can jump direct to a YouTube channel here, from here. But anyway, you can, for $50 more, you can have, they can ship it with openSUSE in Windows 10. So this is I want to show the specs. Like I said, it's just started today. I will have the links right at the video description. I believe to $100,000 if you advertise this, quickly will get that amount of money. So openSUSE is a very secure Linux OS, and Intel based hardware works very well with any Linux distribution. So this is the first one. Is called Tanto 10.1. That's the side of the screen, and you can either just have with Linux. If you want to do a boot it, you pay $50 extra, and with just Linux, with the openSUSE, is $200. To have it do a booting with Windows 10, you pay $50 extra, and to have a keyboard, it's another $50 you're gonna pay. This is the specs of the device here. So for $200, you get Intel processor, Earphone processor. I don't know how to pronounce it right now. It's a 2 GB of memory, and it looks like you can upgrade the memory on the device, because it says 1x 2 GB, and it has 64 GB of internal storage, MicroSD, the sensors, USB 3.0. Is $200 you pay for that, and the battery life is 8 to 9 hours. And then you have the Kodachi, which has basically the same specs, but has 128 GB internal storage with same processor. You pay $250. And this one here is the Wakizashi, which has the specs, has a different Intel CPU, X7 Z8 750, and 2.56 gigahertz, 4 GB of RAM. On here it shows that there's a 2x 2 GB memory stick. I have to get one so I can play around with it. Anyway, this one will cost you $350. And this one here is a $400. You get the same CPU, has 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB storage, and also this one has I think the other one has I forgot to check the camera, but anyway, this one here is the camera has 8 megapixel front and rear camera, so with 8 megapixel, and it's $400. Anyway, for $50 more, I would pay to get both the Linux and the Windows 10, but it's up to you. So you're gonna get a license to run Windows 10 on that tablet, so you can work on both OSs, you know. So anyway, this is the information, and this is the information here I will have on the video description on the YouTube, and also I have a few websites, and I like to share this information, and I really like to see tablets that you can run Linux and be able to dual boot, triple boot, have multiple operating systems on the same device. So I do like to be able to be testing different operating systems on the same device. So, and With the Intel hardware, pretty much every Linux distro has you can run, if the bootloader is not locked, you can run, you can boot or install the OS there. You can do a boot, triple boot. Let's say you want to run openSUSE plus Ubuntu plus Arch Linux or Linux Mint or other flavor of Linux. I really like to see the open source operating system on tablets, smartphones, smart TVs, on different hardware, So anyway, this is the page here. All the information. This is the openSUSE on the Google Plus. This is the group. As you can see, is as you can see, the information right here. You can a tablet specially designed and tailored for the openSUSE Linux. Crowdfunding is a democratic way to support the fundraising needs of your community. And then more information there. So anyway, this is about openSUSE, and I really like to have this tablet and make some video tutorial right inside of this tablet and show how people can install apps, use the apps, and be able to securely use the internet and everything. So anyway, I like to just want to upload something here. Okay, I'm recording this video from. I have my operating system installed to a USB 2.0 thumb drive, pen drive, USB flash drive, whatever you want to call it, and due to the read and write speed on the USB 2.0 thumb drive I'm using, when it's sometimes it locks, but it's not a problem with the computer or the software or anything like that. It's a problem with the read and write speed on the USB drive, flash drive. Okay, I hope I will share this video, and I will make this available everywhere, and I hope we can all have these tablets on our hands, because it's very good to have different operating system on tablets, and I do like to dual boot, triple boot, extra boot, or anything like that on a computer, on a device. I think they give you the option to dual boot openSUSE with Windows 10 is very good, because some people are new to Linux, so they don't know how to really use it, and so it gives people the choice to jump in from Windows 10 to openSUSE in the same, so you gotta be open. So you gotta be open, and you have to be able to use any different operating system out there. So don't matter if it's GNU plus Linux, or Windows, or macOS or openBSD, or whatever operating system out there, Android, Chrome OS, so I believe in the future you're gonna have the option to have, like this company does, they give you the option to do a boot that with the openSUSE and Windows 10. I believe they had the option to have the customers, you have all the Linux distribution out there, and then if they want to have that additional operating system, Linux distros, you pay X amount of money to have that extra operating system there, and you charge for support, you know what I'm saying? So you give a support for X number of year or months, and then you always charge for the support, you know what I'm saying? So that's how it's going to be in the future. So you gotta be open, and I really think in the future we will see a Microsoft-based Linux distro up there. So you have to be open. Open is good for everybody, and no proprietary codecs, please. Proprietary codecs, and no proprietary connectors. Proprietary connectors no good, because when you travel, you're not gonna find any parts and any connector to connect that thing there, and you're gonna be very upset. So I really like to be able to. I really like to be able to buy any universal connector and connect to the smartphone, tablet, smart TV, any device, and be able to charge it. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be open. Okay, see you in the next video. We'll have a good afternoon right now. Bye bye.